You are about to see a comparison of PURA VIDA style bracelets and PURA VIDA bracelets. See if you can tell the difference. Hello, welcome to Jewels. I want to share with you a testimonial that we received from a customer who bought our PURA VIDA style bracelet. You can see here this is an independent review, so take a look.
Let me start out by saying I love PURA VIDA bracelets. So here are my original bracelets. They're quite dingy, very well loved, and worn all the time. Then I purchased some PURA VIDA bracelets from the website puravidabracelets.com, and you see it comes with a gold charm, pewter, silver. They're all different. I just selected these colors because I thought they were interesting. Then I went to Jewels site, and for a fraction of the cost I got these, and I selected different colors on the left because I just got the ones on the right, and similar charms, gold, pewter, and silver, and I love blue, and so you really can't tell the difference. I'll compare them side by side in this next shot. Now in this clip, the authentic PURA VIDA bracelets are on top, so as you can see they are a little bit thicker, but each bracelet's different because they're handmade. The bottom is the imitation, the top is the authentic. And then I got a different type. I wanted a charm because I was tired of just the friendship rope bracelet type. So as you can see, the charms are very comparable. You cannot tell the difference. I'm going to pick this one up and show the front. And the same with the authentic. Very close, and I saved a ton of money. You just have to be patient and wait a little longer.
So, how about that testimonial? If you have similar reviews from Jewels store, please send them to us and we will put them on our review site. Just send them to support@jewels.com and we will be glad to share them with others. As a token of our appreciation for watching this video, when you go to jewels.com, take an additional 30% off all store prices. Just use coupon code 30OFF. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information valuable.